Hi guys, welcome back to another of my videos. I'm sorry if it goes black, light, black, white, but anyways, today I'll be reviewing this guy. This is really late in the early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock. It's really cool. If you wanted to watch when I open this thing, go find in Nerf. Just write up Nerf, and it should be somewhere in there. Alright, let's get started. Right, the first thing I like, the things about this gun is there's this thing right here. You pull it, and then it makes it shoot. If you press here, right there, can you see the orange thing? And that's where you take the magazine out. Crap. Yeah, it's quite cool. The cool thing about it has an alarm on it. There it is. Where the arrow is, it's telling you to put it in that way. Yeah. Okay, now let's flip it around. Can you see this orange thing right here? About here. This thing? It is just to look inside what's going on. See? This is where the bullets go out. Yeah. That's, yeah. There's two aim thingies. One aim here. And one aim right here. Right, sorry. Yeah. That's really cool. But this, yeah, it's really good grips. That's grips. Yeah. Here is the nozzle. Look, this is what it looks like inside. Okay. Now let's get it, and then here. And then now let's get started to the things I do not like. Alright, let's start. Can you see all those bumps? It's supposed to be like scratches, and it looks like it's been in war and blah blah blah. But like, it doesn't really make the gun cool. But it's not it's not like too bad. It's fine. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about it. Everything's really cool. Yeah. I like it how it comes with bright colors and all that. Yeah. And I'll open this. Right. This can fit 10 bullets. See? There's the arrow. Here are the bullets. It's a Fortnite gun, so it's a golden scar. Cause like, you know what I mean by it's golden scar has damage on it. But here's the bullets. The max is 10. I think they gave you like 15 or something. And that's quite good about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 9 here right now. Yeah, it's real early in the morning. I'm kind of tired. Me and Mom and my mom's sister and my cousins are going somewhere. Alright. Okay. That's it for this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos. Yeah. turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Thank you. See ya. Bye. Hold hands or bullets.